Die Sandabdeckung des Mosaiks ist so angelegt, dass es an einigen schönen Stellen betrachtet werden kann.
I hope you understood that. Welcome to Lynn. There's a chair in there. Lynn is a relatively small village, about, I think it's 22, somewhere between 20 and 30 kilometers from Pogradets along the lake. Benny's been reading a guidebook about Lynn, so Benny, what's a fun fact that you know about Lynn?
According to the tourist guide somebody gifted to me, the first people that found settled here were they track back to the Iron Age.
Yeah, the Iron Age. Do you know when that was? Does anybody know when the Iron Age was? No.
After Ice Age.
It's a long time ago though. Alright, where are we going next? So to get up to this bunker, which I'll make a video about later, we had to climb these super sketchy stairs and then scale up the rock. I'm gonna take this opportunity to tell all of you that watch this will be the last Albania video for a while. I'm still gonna be doing the same style of videos, but I'm gonna be traveling a little bit, so I'm gonna be doing them from elsewhere. You can walk. I set it up so that it's just a B-roll shot of everyone walking.
Okay, let's do like we're walking. Everything's good.
Yeah, but in cutting, I can cut out the part where I have to go back and get it. They're annoying. Wait for me.
Go, then you can set it up again.
Oh yeah,
have
yeah.
Another walk.
Okay, act natural.
You have to pay to get in, and there's a fence around it, and it's covered in sand right now because it's wintertime. But behind me, there's some ruins of a church or something, and in the middle there's an old mosaic that was supposedly built in the first half of the 6th century. So that's a long time ago, but because it's winter time, it's covered up to try to protect it from the rain and the snow and everything, so I can't show it to you. I'll try to find a photo on Google. In Lynn, it's a very small village, and there's exactly one mosque and one church. And allegedly, the religious separation is pretty close to 50-50 Muslim versus Christian. That's all I got for this week. I'll see you next week, but this time, not in Albania.